How to enable or disable app icon badge notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on notifications. After that, tap on app notifications. And from down here in the list of apps, tap on app that you would like to change. Then we go down and tap in the below panel here. Tap on app icon badge. So tap on that checkbox to enable or disable the app icon badge. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And you can see here, this is the app icon badge. So if I were to switch it off, then it will not show in here for Chrome. So this is only apply for Chrome. So we've got YouTube. So what you want to do is we go back to the YouTube app in here, and then we tap on that to deselect. Here, it will not show the badge icon. And that's it. Here, I will switch it back on, and you can see it will turn back on. In here, it will turn back on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.